What if you could automatically arrange hundreds of parts on a material sheet and save hours of manual work? Today I'll show you one of the most useful tools for sheet nesting, the AVC Nesting plugin. It works very simply, and I would even say it's incredibly efficient. I type the nesting command, select the objects I want to arrange, and start the calculation. The program analyzes all the parts and creates the best layout automatically. The calculation time depends on the number of parts and the complexity of the job. The more parts you have, the longer it takes. When it's finished, you get a ready-to-use layout that you can send directly to your cutting machine. But the best part is the settings. You can adjust the spacing between parts, group them by material or name, control the nesting area, and much more. We'll take a closer look at all these settings in the next video. For now, don't forget to like this video, subscribe, and save it so you can find it later. You can download the plugin using the link in the description. Work smarter, not harder, with AVC plugins. See you in the next video.